like Moses. Red bombs on the shoes like it's roses. I'm sorry I could never see you down. I'm sorry I could never turn you frown. I'm sorry always full by the drown. Niggas wanna stop me like some red light.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy DG, it's your boy Griff, and yes, we're back with another video. This video, as most of you will know, this is the reason why I originally set up the channel in the first place. It's a modded car review. One thing I do want to say, because you know when you're not like a big YouTuber, it's kind of hard to get people that would be interested in doing it. So if you guys were watching this, know anyone that would be interested, feel free to comment below, the Instagrams or the Facebook. I'll get them, I'll message them on Instagram or obviously Facebook, whichever one. I don't mind obviously travelling anywhere in the UK. But you know what, that's enough talk. Just comment that down and let's get straight to the video, man. Right, so as I just said, we're back. It's another modified car review. Don't forget to leave them comments down below that you know anyone will be interested in. But here's the car that we're going to be reviewing today. It's a 1 Series. It's a 123D. Obviously it's got a few mods in that, but it weighs like 1,300 kilograms and it's been tuned. I can't wait. Let's just do it. Let's get into it. Right, so I'm currently standing here with Shane, who is the owner of the car, the 123D. Bro, just tell me about it, man. So I'm guessing obviously you've got it tuned. Yeah. What power is it running at the moment?
Currently it's running at 270 brake, 475 newton meters of torque. Yeah, stage 1. Obviously it's just got the normal intercooler at the minute, but it has got our air intake, which bumps it up a little bit. So yeah.
Because as far as I'm aware, this is obviously the 123. Yeah. So it's twin turbo. Yeah. I'm pretty sure, I'm not 100% sure, I'm sure the guys in the comments will let me know if I'm wrong, because I know what BMW owners are like. I'm pretty sure it's the same engine as the D3 Alpina. So the 2 litre Alpina, I'm pretty sure it's the same engine. And I know for a fact, because I was thinking about getting one if it wasn't for insurance, the tuning capabilities on them are mad. Are you planning about taking this any further?
Yeah, so currently thinking about going stage 2. Yeah. With obviously it will need a bigger intercooler at that point. It should be pushing around 310 brake.
310 brake?
So yeah, for the weight of the car as well.
Oh yeah, how much does it weigh?
About 1,300. So,
1,300 kilos?
Yeah. So,
that's it?
Yeah.
Rear wheel drive?
Yeah, rear wheel drive.
Is it manual or automatic?
Manual.
Rear wheel drive, manual. Stage 2, you want to hopefully get to 300 brake. Yeah. Bro, this is going to be mental.
Oh, trust me. At the minute, it's so fun to drive. So fun to drive. It's like a go-kart.
I can imagine. Okay, it's 270 at the moment, did you say?
Yeah, 270.
Bro, that's going to be wild. Even now, like, I bet it's mad now.
Trust me. Obviously, as soon as a bit of rain, it's game over with this. It's completely game over with this. But yeah.
Yes guys, we've changed position because not everything's done in one take, unfortunately. That's not how life works. Life isn't always in one take. Sometimes you have to take 2 takes and slow down, you get me? But yes, so right now, just explain to me about the exterior mods as well, because I've seen a lot of 123Ds. In fact, no, I lied, I haven't. I've seen a lot of 1 Series, not 123s, but I haven't seen a lot of them that look like this.
Yeah, so where do you want to start? There's quite a few bits to it, obviously exterior wise. So start off, custom made angel eyes.
I know, I'm sure Mitch did them, didn't he?
Yeah, Mitch did them.
The same one he did mine.
Mitch does all of them. He's the go-to guys. But yeah, so custom angel eyes. We've got the cut out bonnet vents, which just give it that bit aggressive look.
Yeah, I bet it helps well. You know when you're driving kind of quick, letting heat escape. I bet it helps quite a lot with that as well.
Oh, you can hear the engine even more.
Can you?
Yeah, roaring at you. And obviously we've got these custom painted wheels, which it's like a carbon black.
Yeah, because they don't look black. They look,
no,
yeah.
But then it's not grey either, so it's a bit in between.
Yeah.
obviously we've got the M3 style mirrors. We've got the side sill extension, which just gives it a bit of a stance, to be fair. And then obviously moving on to the back, we've got the typical M4 style spoiler.
Oh yeah.
Then we've got the carbon look Riga dual exit diffuser.
Bro, that exhaust looks mean.
Yeah, so that's just a custom job. It's straight through RS3 style tips, which obviously,
you know, I did not even notice that. You know,
I think that's just because everyone who has these kind of go the same way.
yeah.
Kind of just go for the standard, you know, quad exit type tips. But I think this just gives it obviously a better look.
The 1300 kg and 270 brake.
475.
Yeah, 400.
Which that's the thing. What makes the mad difference, to be fair.
In this little car, man. Yo, I bet it's... So is there anything like more? Do you want to take it any further, or are you once you got to stage 2? So you said obviously 300.
Yeah, I'd probably stick at stage 2 because to be honest, I don't think the engine would handle it. I think you'll have to go with the meth idea, and I just think that's too long.
What about like hybrid turbos or anything like that? Do you think about doing any of that, or not going to bother?
Potentially, but there might not be a big benefit from it. There might only be a 20 brake, 30 brake.
Right. Okay.
You know, and I think
it's not worth the hassle.
No, it's not worth the hassle. Not worth the money.
Potential strain you might put on the engine.
Obviously, it's what is it now? It's 10 years old.
Yeah.
10 years old. It's done 120 odd thousand miles. I don't want to kill the car. I still need it for, you know, like, as a daily. But you never know. I probably would take it further if I had another car.
But you just don't want to risk it.
No.
It's understandable, to be fair. Very understandable.
So obviously with the money what I spent on this as well, I don't want to just completely blow the engine out and game over then, innit, really.
It's the only thing about being into cars, man. It's an expensive game to get into.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I have to keep moving it because the stand's a bit shit and it keeps like, so I'm going to keep, you I want to feel something. We need to give you butterflies. Yes, man. Yo, 1300 kilos, you can feel it.
Just balls.
You can feel it. Oh my god.
Yeah, this road's probably not the best bit to do it on, to be fair, but yeah,
You know, because it's rear wheel drive as well.
it's just so much fun. So much fun.
Yo, this is mad. It's mainly because it's so light.
It's so light.
It literally, like, you chain it down, it just flies, it just gets off, it gets gone. No, yo, this is wild. This is actually mad. No, the pull on this is crazy. Fucking hell.
Yeah, man, this is so fun to drive.
A few moments later.
Fucking hell. I'm trying to lean forward and the car's pulling me back.
But yeah, it just keeps pulling. But you can feel how light it is, can't you?
Yes, you can.
Going around bends, you think, oh, I'm gone here.
Listen, you were doing it earlier, and I thought, fuck, the car's about to fly off the road.
But yeah.
Right, 0 to 60. He's got 3 goes. He might cricket on the first go, might go top of the leaderboard. Personally, I think this can take it. I think this is going to go top of the leaderboard. So, I guess we're about to find out, aren't we?
Give it a go here.
Yeah. Right. That was 9.3.
Yeah.
But obviously, bogged down in gear 1. Right. 3. 2, 1, go. That was 6.6.
Yeah.
Right, you ready? That was 6.63. 3. Oh no, sorry. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 6.6 again.
Is it?
Yeah. But I feel like, yeah, because I've got videos, I'm going to put the video in now, yeah. I've got a video of you and Mitch racing, and you beat him.
I beat it, yeah.
Oh.
Alright, we'll do it here.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go.
The thing is, it's that start.
Yeah,
It's that start. You can hear.
You can hear
I'm,
the
I'm losing half a second there.
Easily.
Half a second.
Bro, I think you're losing a second if you
Yes. Because it's kind of getting the power down.
But then obviously it's just spinning.
But then it spins,
Yeah, man.
and then it tries to kick. It tries to kick through. 6.